What if you woke up one morning and found that each Ripple XRP coin was worth an amazing $25,000? You heard that right. When it comes to coins, we've seen some pretty crazy rides, but this is a whole new level. Think about this. The once humble Ripple XRP has suddenly shot up like a rocket into the stratosphere. For a long time, it just bobbed quietly in the sea of cryptocurrencies. There are more than a few percentage points at stake. That's not all of it. All of a sudden, the price of a coin went from nothing to an unbelievable $25,000. As you might expect, the crypto world is shocked. People are talking about this crypto bombshell on forums and tweets and in news reports all over the world. This rise is much bigger than anything we've seen before. It's like seeing a horse in your yard or the end of a rainbow and finding a pot of gold. It's that uncommon and amazing. However, Ripple XRP hasn't always been a big deal. It has had its good times, for sure. It has been through some ups and downs, storms, and has kept a steady pace. But what about this? It's like this came out of nowhere. It changes the rules, breaks records, and changes the game. This is the kind of thing that makes you pay attention. How did this take place? What caused the value of Ripple XRP to grow so quickly and dramatically? More than that, what does this mean for you? Should you see it as a great chance or a bubble about to pop? We'll talk more about how this happened and what it means for you in this film. Hold on tight, everyone. Things are going to get crazy. Welcome to Coins Alert, the place where you can find everything you need to know about cryptocurrencies. This is where the magic of digital currency comes to life. This is where we translate hard-to-understand crypto speak into plain English. What is our job? To give you the tools you need to find your way around the exciting but often confusing world of cryptocurrency. We are a committed group of crypto fans, financial analysts, and experienced investors here at Crypto Wealth Blueprint. We know what's going on in the crypto market and are dedicated to providing correct, up-to-date knowledge that helps you make smart choices. We cover everything from the newest market trends to useful business advice, and from in-depth looks at blockchain technology to basic rules for crypto trading. We're not just here to keep you up to date. We want to help you understand the digital change, take part in it, and do well in it. Click the subscribe button to join us on this exciting trip. Don't forget that we'll be giving something away when we reach 10,000 members. Let's talk about how the value of Ripple XRP went through the roof overnight. The story of Ripple XRP's rapid rise is an interesting look into how the cryptocurrency market works. In the end, it all comes down to supply and demand, how investors act, and a little old-fashioned luck. To begin, let us talk about supply and demand. For the most part, the value of any coin, including Ripple XRP, depends on how much people want it and how much is available. When it comes to Ripple XRP, there was a sudden drop in supply and a rise in demand, which caused the overnight jump. Now, what makes supply and demand change so much? That's where the actions of investors come in. There is a wide range of cryptocurrency buyers, from individuals who do it for fun to large institutions. What makes them decide to buy or sell can be affected by many things, such as market trends, new technologies, changes in regulations, and even conversations on social media. In this case, Ripple XRP gained from a wave of positive investor sentiment. Several pieces of good news, such as technology advances and changes that were good for regulations, led to this. People felt good about things, which caused a buying rush that made even more people want to buy Ripple XRP. But let's not forget the part that luck played. There are times when everything just clicks into place and a certain coin finds its place in the sun. Ripple XRP went through the same thing. What you might be thinking now is how the price changes. Well, there is a set price at which cryptocurrencies are bought and sold every time. The most recent deal price sets the new price of the cryptocurrency. Because of these reasons, more and more people bought Ripple XRP, and they were willing to pay more and more, which drove up the price. It's important to know that things can go down as well as up. It is well known that the cryptocurrency market is very unstable and rates can change a lot in a short amount of time. Ripple XRP's overnight rise is exciting, but it also serves as a reminder of how important it is to spend with care in this area. Ripple XRP reached new heights because of a lot of different things coming together in the right way. This could make you wonder, what does this mean for me? Let's look into that further. If you have Ripple XRP right now, this rise is like a meteor shower of gold falling on your wallet. You should be happy because your digital goods have just grown by a huge amount. Even so, it's important to keep in mind that the crypto market is both risky and profitable. The value might go up even more, or it might drop as quickly as it rose. So now the question is, should you hold or sell? Based on how much danger you're willing to take and how you plan to invest, only you can make that decision. We understand that if you're thinking about joining the Ripple movement, this surge may make you feel both excited and nervous. In fact, the growth potential is through the roof. It's $25,000 now. Who knows what will happen tomorrow? That amount could be doubled or even tripled. But keep in mind that the riskier something is, the bigger the chance of making money it is. It's not a surefire way to get rich by investing in crypto. You know it's a risk, and it's important to do your research before making any purchase. Do your homework, know what the market trends are, and never put more money into something than you can afford to lose. Here's something for everyone to think about. XRP isn't the only thing that's going up in value. This shows how useful cryptocurrency can be in general. It shows that digital currencies aren't just a passing trend, but a huge change in how we think about and use money. There are lots of ups and downs on this crazy ride. But one thing is certain, the business world is changing because of this ride. Whether you're an experienced user or new to crypto, this event shows how big the market could be and how volatile it can be. Keep your eyes on the road ahead, buckle up, and enjoy the ride. So, now you know, the story behind Ripple XRP's huge rise overnight. We looked into the huge number of things that caused this unusual rise. Ripple XRP's rise to $25,000 shows how much promise there is in the crypto world. From the complicated nature of the crypto market to the huge forces at play. Let's go over the most important parts again. We talked about the crypto surprise, the shocking truth that caused Ripple XRP to soar through the sky. After that, we showed you the crypto wealth blueprint, your reliable guide through the complicated world of cryptocurrencies. The next thing we talked about was how the skyrocket works. We broke down the processes and drivers that took Ripple XRP to such incredible heights. It's important to understand this because it helps us trade crypto more confidently and wisely in the unpredictable markets. We also talked about what this means for you. The rise of Ripple XRP has had a huge impact on many people, from new investors to experienced traders. As time goes on, it's more important than ever to stay up to date on these changes. Don't forget that information is power, and it's the most valuable thing you have in the volatile world of cryptocurrencies. In closing, the story of Ripple XRP is an interesting one about how markets work, how investors feel, and how technology can change things. It serves as a reminder of the exciting chances that lie ahead in this digital world and how important it is to stay ahead of the curve. If you like this video, please click the like button. To enter our giveaway, don't forget to subscribe and leave a message on #cryptowealth.com. Until then, remember to keep an eye on those ones.